Hi and welcome to this Python tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn to install and configure Python. The first step is to install a Python distribution. In this tutorial we will install Miniconda, but you are free to use any distribution you want. So to install Miniconda, go to this web page, which link is provided in the description, and download the latest Windows installer. Once the download is completed, simply install Miniconda by executing the application. And wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is completed, you should have access to the Anaconda prompt. Just open it. The rest of the tutorial will be done in Linux, but the same instructions are to be followed. Just follow the same instruction using the Anaconda prompt instead of the Linux terminal. So once you have installed Anaconda, just open a new terminal. So you should see this base here. And now we want to configure Anaconda. So the first step is to create a new environment. So Anaconda offers you the possibility to have several environments, and all environments have their own Python version and libraries version. So this is really useful when you work on different projects and they all require different Python or libraries version. You can have one environment per project, and this is a really good practice. You should do this. So to create a new environment, just simply type conda create, then you just type territory name and indicate the name of the environment. I will here call my environment AI-env. So I can also set a Python version. We will here use Python 3.6.6. So I just do this by entering this command. And here I create the environment. Just say yes. This is downloading everything. Once you have created your environment, you can activate it using conda activate followed by the name of the environment. So here INFO8006. So you see here AI-env, meaning that this is activated, and you can deactivate the environment using conda deactivate, and you see here that you are back to the base environment. So here we activate the AI environment, and what we want to do is to install a new library called NumPy. So to do this, we simply type conda install NumPy. Press yes. Once you have installed NumPy, you are ready to run the code for the first project. So to do that, simply navigate to the first project directory. You can see that there is a dfs.py file and a run.py file. So the run.py file is the file that you need to run. So you just do python run.py, and you want to give it as argument an agent file, so which is a file that contains a policy that is used by Pacman to be run. So here we use a depth first search policy. So we use the dfs.py file, and when we run this, we get Pacman that use the DFS policy.